Welcome back. In the studio with us tonight, we have a man who's 2 steps behind the action, a man that virtually no one's heard of, from the Randy Campbell stunt crew, retarded South Island mechanic, Spanners Watson.
Come on, mate. You right?
Oh,
come on.
Really hurt.
Oh, it's all right. Come on, sit down. There you go. You all right, mate? You all right now? Oh, everything's cool.
Well, welcome to the studio, Spanners Watson. Since you joined the Randy Campbell stunt crew, mechanical incompetence is up 300%, technical efficiency is at an all-time low, and hospitalisations are through the roof.
Face it, mate, there's no room in stunts for a slow learner. Shut up! I'm building a rocket car! Mate, you couldn't even build your own breakfast. I could so! You're an idiot! You're an idiot! You're an idiot! No!
Oh, I'm sorry, mate. No, I'm sorry, mate. Hey, think fast, alright?
We're not experiencing technical difficulties, we just thought we'd milk this lame TV Kiwi gag again.